Hello, my dear classmates. In this moment, I talk about the importance of the Nazca Lines. This place was considered humanity's patrimony in December 17 of 1994 by UNESCO. This culture is very important because it's possible to know about some customs. For example, land irrigation. Some people say that the lines represent underground water channels and advanced aqueduct systems in the desert. Others people say that the Nazca lines are roads to spiritual center. In fact, in the temple was found a brain hanging from a rope. This is a very bad practice of the Nazca culture. And finally, other people believe that the Nazca lines were created by aliens to land on Earth. Mm, Today, the Nazca Lines was considered a mystery place, but if you can go to visit, it is very interesting and good place to meet it from the here. Thank you.